Today we are making a magic pumpkin soup, and the first thing we are going to do is we are going to chop our pumpkin. So let me show you some of our children chopping. Oh, they are so sensible chopping in here. Well done, AP2. And here we have some beautifully chopped pumpkin made by Sarah. Well done. Good job. And Daniel is putting the pumpkin into the bowl. Fantastic, Daniel. Great work. Okay, I have added the onion and now I am frying it. Would you like to have a look? Right. Oh, are we, Alman? And what have you done with the pumpkin?
So we cut it, put it in, and then we left the piece out. We mashed it all.
Oh, excellent.
I did. Now I'm putting it in the pan and frying it.
Wonderful, guys. Okay, so right now, Alman and Boss are tipping the pumpkin into the big bowl, ready to be added to my frying pan over here. Amina is now placing the pumpkin in the pan. Thank you so much, Amina. You're doing a great job. Excellent. So Sarah is adding the final scoop of pumpkin, and Miss Lester is crushing a stock cube in. Woo! Excellent.
The best food ever.
Okay, so we are now mashing the soup with this lovely masher. Amina is just mashing the pumpkin now, the final stage. So I am pouring the soup into a cup, and we are going to season it with the flavours that we like. Right here, Boss is seasoning his soup. Boss, what are you using to season your soup today? It's called cinnamon. Waris is going to put some of the Coca-Cola in. Wonderful. Right now I am stirring the cinnamon into my soup, giving it a good stir. Okay, and our final step is we're going to eat it. Mmm, yummy.